It was an operation that was hailed as a breakthrough by the Anti-Terror Police Unit, an exercise that saw police now what they described as key networks of terror operatives within the country's borders. And when they appeared before Shanzu Law Court, Senior Magistrate Diana Muchache approved the prosecution's request, granting police 3 weeks to complete investigations. Detectives say that two of the suspects, Nasra Faiz Haidar and Salim Mohammed Rashid, had traveled to Syria to join an illegal terror group, ISIS, only to be deported back into the country. Other suspects remain in police custody for 3 weeks include Aisha Faiz Haidar and Fatuma Mohammed Rashid. Earlier, the prosecution, led by State Counsel Marida, had requested the Shanzu Law Court to give them more time to carry out investigations on items seized from the suspects, which include SIM cards, mobile phones and laptops. The matter is set for hearing on the 1st of March this year. And it was reprieve for Gatundu Member of Parliament Moses Kuria and his Kabete counterpart Ferdinand Waititu after Senior Principal Magistrate Charity Aloch ruled that video evidence produced by the prosecution incriminating the two Jubilee legislators was not authentic. Aloch ruled that there was no sufficient evidence to prosecute them. Aloch also ruled that public resources should not be abused, adding that the court was unsatisfied that the utterances said to have been made by the legislators could result in incitement to violence.
My decision is informed by findings that the audiovisual tape tendered in evidence is not authentic. I am also not certified that the utterances amount to incitement to violence on account of improper translation.
Today's ruling was on whether the lawmakers had a case to answer. The prosecution has called 5 witnesses in its case against the MPs, who are represented by lawyer Harrison Kenyanjui. Meanwhile, High Court has temporarily stopped the Communication Authority of Kenya from installing tapping devices on mobile phones. Justice John Mativo further certified the matter as urgent and directed parties in the case to appear for inter-party hearing on the 6th of March this year. The petition was filed by activist Okiya Omtata, who said that the government's decision to spy on Kenyans through Broadband Communications Networks Limited violates both the law and the constitution. Also, a case filed by the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy regarding the voter register audit tender awarded to KPMG will be heard on the 3rd of next month before Justice Chacha Mwita. This is after Nairobi High Court Judge George Odunga disqualified himself from the case last Thursday after the commission raised claims of bias.